there, back working on my wash bay compartment again. Today we will be replacing a city water inlet valve. This is it right there. Water was squirting out from around the swivel area and noticed it had a lot of play. Trying to take the valve off. Of course, with my luck, the screws have nuts in the back and had to take the panel down to get to the back where the nuts are. Okay, the panel is down. All I need to get off is one hose fitting and 4 screws and nuts in the back of the valve itself here. Make sure you save all the screws, washers, and lock nuts. Take the hose off behind the valve. This is not only an inlet for the city water, but it also fills my freshwater tank when I turn the valve to tank fill. And it also has a built-in backflow preventer and a 65 psi pressure regulator that prevents high pressure from the city water damaging the plumbing system in the RV. So bottom line, without this part, I have no city water or be able to fill my fresh water tank for the pump. I took the valve apart. I was hoping it would be something easy like an O-ring, but not. I found where the leak was. A worn flange. Just gave away. No way to replace that. Even if it could be done, it wouldn't be worth it.
It's a piece of steel.
So on to the RV local store I go and found one. Not in white but chrome, which I like. There is a difference between the two. The old one has an output of a maximum of 50 psi, and the new one has an output of 65 psi maximum, which is pretty good. That means I'll have more pressure, especially in the shower, and it shouldn't hurt the plumbing in the RV. It should take up to that, no problem. Okay, we insert it back into the hole and line it up with the coupling, the pipe coupling on the inside, and just hand tighten it for now. Then we start putting in the screws, which have this washer in the back. Let's not forget to put the washers back in there, even though they're lock nuts, but they came with it. Let's put them back. Put back the hose coupling and the elbow with the hose coupling, and make sure it's well hand tightened. The swap was very easy. It took longer to get the panel off and get to the back nuts and putting it back on. Make sure it doesn't leak under city water pressure, and you're all good to go. I hope this will help someone out there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If not subscribed, feel free to do so. And you all have a great day.